Show's over, folks. Forever. Think we can take him?
No.
Hold it! Just what do you think you're doing?
If the only way to get you out of here is to take this place down, then so be it. You better decide whose side you're on. Sorry about getting you into this.
Forget the apology. Just do that sonic scream of yours.
I can't. At this range, it would kill them. I have a better idea. How would you like to see two League members fight each other? Me and Wildcat. In the cage right now. That make you some money?
Oh, definitely.
Then here's the deal. If I win, you ban Wildcat from cage fighting forever. And if I lose, I'll never bother you again.
Forget it.
Can't do that, Cat. It's much too good an idea. Everything's okay, folks. In fact, it's fabulous. Because after a brief intermission, Wildcat is going to fight Black Canary. That's right. Two good guys fighting each other. And one of them's her. So place your bets. Give our new contender a dressing room, and keep them both in it until showtime.